Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to install the new software One UI 8.0. I just found out that it's available for my Samsung Galaxy Watch 7 Ultra so this update is available One UI 8.0 along with Wear OS 6. So I'm gonna go ahead and download it, install it on the watch, and then we're gonna see what is new on this update. So I didn't know that it was available, so I picked up my watch this morning and then I see that the update was sitting and wait to be installed on my device. So as you can see, we're gonna go ahead and install it, and then we see what's new inside, and then we take it from there. And I'm going to scroll down to show you that the update is available. That's how you check it out on your watch. So you go to settings and then you go to software update, and when you click download and install, and it should be available for your watch, and from here you can just hit install. But since that my battery level is so low, I only have 15%, so I'm going to have to charge my watch first and then come back and then install the software. Okay, and as you can see here now, I'm installing it on my device. It is working like magic, and once it's done, we're gonna find out. I might not be able to show you what's new on this update. I have to go or play with it for a few days, but just to show you how to obtain the software. Most of you know how to get it, but I figured that I can show you. You can, maybe it's available for your watch but you don't even know about it, so all you have to do is just go to settings and then software update, and you will see if whether it is available for your watch, Samsung Galaxy Watch Ultra. And I'm assuming that it is available for Samsung Galaxy Watch Classic as well. So what's new on this update? And in the meantime, this is my Samsung Galaxy Watch Ultra, as I mentioned before, and I got this beautiful band. The band that came with it was the orange one, and orange is not my color really on a watch. I really don't like that. However, I got this blue slate, and I bought it from Amazon, and I think it's a great deal. I think I paid $12. But anyway, the watch is restarting right now because the software is installed, so it is gonna restart, and then from here you're gonna see that it is installed on this watch. So what's new about this is a redesigned interface with new now bar, and it gives quick access to your current tasks, right? And as you can see, it is a magic. You can see that it is being installed, and as you can see, it is finished installing. And by the way, this watch face is from Bellozi, very nice watch face. I think I paid $149. It is available on the Google Play Store. You can look for Bellozi watch face, and this is one of my favorite. And then you can change different watch faces. As you can see it here, I had downloaded tons of watch faces, and some of my favorite one is the Bellozi one, and this one is one of them that I like as well. And then as you can see it here, that's a beautiful watch face. I'm gonna scroll. If you are into yellow one, this one is nice, but I don't remember who made it, but it's not Bellozi. It is a different software developer. And now let's go ahead. This is watch face comes with the watch. This one comes with the watch, so it is a stack watch face. It comes with the Samsung Galaxy Watch, right? And then when I long press, as you can see, you can select a different one and so on. So far, as I mentioned, the Bellozi watch face is one of my favorite. I have all his selections, but I didn't install them all in this watch. However, this one is one of my favorites as well. I had this one for almost 5 years. I purchased it long time ago when I had the Samsung Galaxy, the first one, I believe, and I still own it. So when I go to my Galaxy App Store, it is available there, and I got a lot of watch faces. This is a stock one as well. It comes with the watch, right? It is available on Samsung store and so on, man. This is what it is. These are nice watch faces, a great selection, my favorite, but the Bellozi one is one of my best. So what's new about this update is a new redesigned interface with the new now bar. Now the now bar is in the bottom. It gives you notification about what's going on in the background, and also quick access to your current tasks. Running coach, which helps personalize your training based on your fitness level. New health tools like vascular age, anti-accident index, and sleep coaching. Smoother navigations, improved notification, and more accurate sensor reading. So now this update is available for Samsung Galaxy Watch Ultra 2024, Samsung Galaxy Watch 7, and it has received a stable One UI 8 watch update since July 2025. And also the Galaxy Watch 8 series, the newer one, it comes with One UI 8 pre-installed. But the Galaxy Watch 7 Classic might still be waiting for the update to be available, and it should be rolling out soon, starting in August 2025, which means this month. And how to check for update, as I mentioned, you have to go to settings and software update right here and click and install, and it's going to check for the update. Since I updated mine, so it's going to be up to date, but that's how you check for yours. So you go to your settings and go to software update, and it should show you that whether the update is available for your watch. And this is One UI 8.0, right, along with the Wear OS 6.0. Okay guys, so this is it for the last test update news and walkthrough. Make sure you subscribe to Real Tech TV for more tech, and also don't forget to subscribe to my channel and smash the notification bell for more videos. Thank you so much, and I talk to you soon. Bye bye.